If you want to connect an Xbox controller to your Samsung Galaxy A37, first of all, we need to open the settings on our phone. We're going to proceed to connections, and then in here you want to go to Bluetooth settings. Of course, make sure that Bluetooth is enabled. And then we need to turn on our Xbox controller, so I'm going to use this Xbox button over here. And then you want to use the pairing button that we have usually in this place. So we need to press and hold it until the Xbox logo starts rapidly flashing. Alright, so now we can also use the scan button in the upper right corner here to refresh the list of available devices, and we should be able to find our Xbox controller. Of course, we need to confirm that we want to pair, and then if we pair successfully, the Xbox logo should stop flashing, and we should be able to use our controller in order to navigate on our phone. There we go. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.